Assalamu alaikum. Today we are learning about long vowel E sound. The letters E, E, A, E sometimes give long vowel E sound. Let's start reading of E words. P, eel, peel, N, eed, need, S, eed, seed, Thr, e, tree, B, e, bee, K, eep, keep, S, e, see, Gr, in, green, G, is, geese. Bead, beak, bean, deal, heat, meal, need, pea. Now look at these pictures and read by yourself. Fill in the missing gap. Ch is cheese, P is peach. L is leaf, T is tea. S eats seed, B eats beads. Say the name of each picture. Put a tick if it has a long E sound, as in B. Peas, queen, hen. We are going to put a tick on the picture of peas and queen. Here is bed and B. We are putting a tick on B. Z, the bee, wants to go to the flowers that have long E sound. B, pen, red, tree, C, feed. Join different letters from these butterflies to make new words. Here is me. This is C. This is leaf. We have to fill the blanks with EA, E and double E. We can see. Z, the bee, he is on a leaf. I hope you will like my video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.